Welcome to Color Page. I am Sukumar Swaminathan, graphic designer and video editor from Chennai, India. In this video, I am going to create a wedding invitation in Adobe Indesign without the support of any other software. Everything shown in this video is exclusively created in Adobe Indesign. So let's begin. I am creating a A4 document in InDesign in portrait mode. I'm planning to create a frame in InDesign first. To start with, I'm creating a rectangle frame filled with a soft color. With the help of a circle, I would like to create an arch in the top of the rectangle. Now I have created two circles, and with the help of Pathfinder tool, I am subtracting the corners. I am now duplicating the frame I have made and flipping it vertically, extending it to the full margin size. And with the help of Pathfinder tool, I have combined the shapes. Now I have the basic background frame with me. Creating another layer, I am just duplicating the frame I made and giving a darker shade to that. Now the main part, I am going to create a ribbon, a vector ribbon in InDesign with the help of a pen tool. Now I am creating concentric circles, and I will be needing just a portion of the circle. So I am deleting the unwanted portions with the Pathfinder tool. Now I got the main portion of the ribbon I am going to make. Now with the help of pen tool, I am adding the ribbon elements. Okay, the vector ribbon is ready in InDesign. Now I am going to type out the names with the help of type on a path tool. Now I am going to create some elements. So I am using ellipse tool to create a flower-like shape. I'm also creating some outlines of the same elements. Maybe some gradient feather effect to the outlines. Now I am typing out the content, the titles, and other details like time, venue and all. Now I would like to add some elements in the outer frame. So maybe to go with the flowers, I may create some leaves. I'm just randomly positioning the vector leaves in the outer frame. Then now with the help of Pathfinder tool, I am just deleting the unwanted portions. Now I am repositioning the outline of the vector flowers. Okay, maybe I would like to add a tint of yellow in this. So I am using gradient tool to the main backgrounds. And the flowers may be a little more green. Okay, this stage I'm satisfied with the creative. Okay, this is the final output. Thanks for watching the video, and this is the final version of the artwork. I have also created a couple of more versions and different themes based on the same elements. If you have any doubts or need clarification, please use the comment section. I will always try to reply your comments. I also provide one-to-one direct personal coaching in Adobe suites like Photoshop, InDesign, Illustrator and Premiere Pro. If interested, the details are in the description. You can always contact me. Kindly like, share, subscribe and support our channel. I'll see you in another video. Until then, it's Sukumar Swaminathan signing off.